Hello, everyone. My name is Piotr Nikel, and I'm head of AI products here in Synerise. And today, during this presentation, I would like to speak to you regarding one of our features, which are personalized promotions. So, first of all, what was the reason why we created this kind of solution? So, our main goal was to use all the capabilities, AI capabilities within Synerise platform in order to achieve goals regarding to customer satisfaction and also increase loyalty metrics. But also we wanted to assure that marketing teams will reduce the effort which is required to manage promotions or segment promotions for individual to rather do it automatically. Main thing that we are focused is to build an ability to automatically generate the promotion assignments based on all the data that we have and all the customer profiles that we gather within the platform, and create a unique set of promotions which will be tailored to a specific needs, specific profiles with the recommendation engines that we've built. So in this particular case, the promotion management looks slightly different from what we have learned or how we manage promotions on a regular basis. We start with gathering all the behavioral data related to customers, specifically transactions, but not only them, including product feed and store metadata, in order to build behavioral models and vectorial representation of any items, promotions, products, and clients in order to make our recommendation engine work. The other thing that is kind of unusual in this approach, we create a list of promotions which are basically not seen from any distribution channel perspective until it is triggered. So for instance, we create the hundreds of promotions, but only if the client enters a specific channel, I will mention that later in the conversation, the recommendation engine will be triggered, and from dozens of potential candidates, we will be able to select the best coupon set for each and every individual. And in this particular case, the coupon set is extremely critical because we personalize the whole aspect and the whole feed of promotions. And we also exclude or include the relationships between promotion itself, not to spam the client with very similar products, even if they are highly recommended for this one. Right? So we think of promotion recommendation as a whole set or whole individual promotion leaflets tailored to every single individual. Okay, so first of all, in order to make the engine works, we first of all need to create a personalized profile based on the data. But now, what about promotion candidates? Okay, let's maybe go and quickly look at what we can do here at Synerise. First of all, when it comes to promotion management in Synerise, we can create multiple types of promotions. Some of them, they can be regular promotions, which can be distributed, for instance, via a mobile app to every single customers. We also have members-only promotions, which can be segmented only to a specific group of customers. But this type, what we can also do is to make promotion candidates not visible from user perspective until generated promotion is generated for the specific user. They include all the metadata that traditional promotion has, but is still visible until generated. So we can create promotions for what we can see now. We created one promotion for specific item. But obviously we can create a promotions for entire cart as well. We can narrow down the audience of these specific promotions, even though it will be still personalized. We allow to create a different type of content for these specific promotions, including all the metadata like descriptions, images, and so on and so forth. But also we can add, in fact, any kind of parameters to these promotions which is needed to be displayed and executed, for instance, in mobile app. Obviously, we are able to define or narrow down the stores in which promotions can be defined, items for which the promotion can be used, which is very important because we use those kind of items which are assigned to the specific promotions in recommendation engines, and obviously create a schedule. But in this particular case, the schedule of promotions means that for this specific time, it will be a candidate, not necessarily for how long the user can use the promotions, because it is also a setup of recommendation engine. So basically, all the needed metadata can be created within Synerise platform for personalized promotions, together with regular members-only promotions as well. Having all the transactional data for given customers and promotion candidates, we can now create like a campaign that will build a specific promotion set to a customer in different distribution channels. So in our platform, we've got few different types of distribution channels for which we can integrate seamlessly. For instance, when it comes to mobile channel, mobile app, we've got a native mobile SDK. And obviously, in order to then redeem the promotion at the till, we have a POS integration in which we also are able to calculate the discounts based on the baskets that are sent to Synerise. So in this particular case, Synerise is also working as a application rule system for POS to calculate the promotions based on the baskets that POS can send to Synerise. So in this particular case, you don't need to worry about the part how those promotions can be executed at POS or any checkout page. Now let's take a glance at the platform. We are able to create different types of promotions of different distribution channels. We allow to create like check-in promotions, which are available or can be distributed at kiosk in store. So we exactly know what kind of client and which store they are. We can create a campaign for checkout in which we can distribute the personalized promotion sets after the purchase at POS. And obviously, we can also create campaigns which can be distributed via mobile app. And in each particular case, we are able to define how many promotions can be distributed to a specific customer for this particular distribution channel, and obviously how long this promotion set will be valid from a client perspective, right? So it kind of overlaps the schedule which I mentioned in the promotion definition. Obviously, the main goal is that we always calculate this promotion set in real time. So we do not create like a specific list of promotions for a given client upfront, but every time when the user does not have their personalized set generated yet, and for instance, customer enters the app, then we generate the whole set in real time, including all the recent information that we have from the client. It allows us to be as much accurate in our predictions as possible. Okay, as I mentioned, one of the biggest challenges was to, first of all, keep and maintain as many personalized promotion candidates as possible. Because the more candidates that we have in our pool, then the best personalization effort we can have, right? The variety of promotions can help in this particular case to reach the preferences or vast majority of the clients. So this is the tricky part, because at the same time, we are running the standard promotions. We are running members only promotions, and there is always a risk that there can be an overlap between those promotions. So how we tried to tackle this challenge? So first of all, we created a mechanism that will include what regular promotions are currently available in store, or what kind of promotions are available to the whole population of loyalty program, and creating a mechanism that helps to handle the overlaps. So in this particular case, if there is a specific promotion for a given product and we would like to personalize promotions, generate a personalized set, we will not include those promotions, those candidates in which they can be an overlap. Due to this fact, the recommendations, the personalized promotions, client will not have two promotions for the same type. So that was the one topic on this solution. But also having all the recommendation, all the regular promotions imported to our system allows us also to personalize or to rank all the promotions which are available for the whole population, rank by the preference of the user. So once, for instance, the user enters the app, then the whole list of available promotions, including those regular promotions, will be sorted by preferences of the user base of their previous actions. Or using our document sections, we can also divide those kind of promotions into specific groups, like categories and any other kind of grouping we can have. And in this particular case, we will be also able to sort those kind of sections within the app base of the personalization. So both types of promotions can be used as personalization in order to increase customer engagement. One of the key points here, we enabled to, first of all, tune the engine settings and create multiple versions in order to of the promotion campaigns, in order to find out which kind of variance is performing the most. So we created an built-in A/B test capabilities within personalized promotions campaigns, in order which we can, first of all, define multiple variants with different settings, like number of personalized promotions, lasting time of the promotion set, and advanced engine configuration for each and every variant, in order to fine-tune the results, but also to give marketers simple tools to configure the engine in the way that will meet the requirements regarding KPIs and other loyalty metrics. In fact, what we have achieved is that once the loyalty program has integrated the personalized promotions capabilities, on average, we can see that, first of all, personalization is working well, and that the personalization is actually driving higher conversion rates and higher revenues. On average, the net revenue uplift, so in this particular case, revenue including the cost of the promotion itself, we achieved from 1.8 to 3% net revenue uplift. It depends on the case. We are also, obviously, we have a control group to actually test that. And to show that the conversion rate or the targeting capabilities of the engine is robust. In fact, we usually beat the random assignment, which we use for those particular tests. In this particular case, we are up to 5 times better conversion rates versus the random assignment. Okay, so now we were talking about the capabilities within the loyalty program, but loyalty members can be only a small part of the whole customer base that they are actually buying at specific stores, right? So our idea was also to extend those kind of capabilities also to non-loyalty card members, to anonymous clients. And in this particular case, we can use one of the distribution channels at the till, checkout couponing, and we can only, in this particular case, we can also include the information about the last transaction of the unrecognized user, anonymous user, and based on this last transaction, calculate the scoring for each and every promotion and distribute personalized promotion after purchase at POS, just printing out the coupons for the next purchases. So in this particular case, we also tackle those users which are totally anonymous, but they made a transaction at till. And in this particular case, we can also create a promotions for them as well, and they can redeem it after new promotion. When it comes to exclusions, we can, while creating a promotion campaign, we can, first of all, we can filter out from which set we can create a person, or which promotion we can choose as a candidate. So that's one of the manual ways to promote only specific types of promotions. Moreover, when it comes to specific types of promotions which cannot be distributed to specific users, like alcohol offers, then we are able to create a segment for which this promotion will not be considered as a potential candidate. So this particular segment will definitely not, promotion will not be distributed for them. So there are two options to actually navigate or challenge this topic. Basically, behind those free distribution channels, we also have slightly different free models, because once check-in couponing is mainly designed to be distributed before the transactions, and it will be distributed in a specific store, then we actually know in which store this particular user is currently in. So first of all, we can narrow down only those personalized promotions to promotions which are available in this particular store. Plus, obviously, we know that there is a very big likelihood that he will actually do the shopping within a minute. So we actually better know the context, right? So this context is extremely important when it comes to accuracy of the model. But when it comes to checkout couponing, apart from the fact that it is also, it is also a possibility that it can be distributed to an anonymous user based on the last transaction. We need to take into consideration that the customer has already finished her basket for today. So now we will be able, what is the probability and for how long the next purchase will happen. And it definitely affects the model and the probabilities that we rank for this particular customer.